Hi, Mighty. He just doesn't understand how it works. It'd be funny if he fell in there right now. Oh, he's so afraid of it. Did he just bang his head on that thing? Oh, he's not smart. It's okay, we like you because you're pretty.